Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to top up your Opal card online. The first thing you need to do is type in opal.com.au. Once the website loads, you have two options depending on if you have an Opal account or if you just have the Opal card itself. If you do have just the Opal card itself, you need to select use your Opal card number. All you need to do is put in the card number and security code. They are both located on the back of the card. Once you do that, you click view details, and then you need to select the top up tab and then select one-off top up. Once you put in your top up amount, you just need to enter and confirm your preferred payment card details and then click top up. Online top-ups can take between 15 to 60 minutes to reflect on the card balance. You also need to tap on with your card within 60 days after topping up. If you don't, then the amount you added will be refunded to your credit or debit account. If you already have an Opal account, all you need to do is type in your username or email address and your password and then select login. Once you log into your Opal account, you will be able to see your cards at the top. And if you want to top up, you just need to select the middle option out of these three options, activity, top up, and manage. Just click top up and you can select an auto top up or a one-off top up. If it's one-off, pretty straightforward, but you're topping up only once and it's not automatic. You can top up between $10 to $60 depending on what you want to have on your card, but your balance limit is $250. If you want to do an auto top up, you just select auto top up and then you select the amount you want to add to the card. So it's between $10 and $60 and your card will automatically be topped up with the amount you select when your balance is low. Like this video if you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye.